Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make black whipped cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and crucially, black gel food coloring. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are thoroughly chilled. This step is key for achieving light and airy whipped cream. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's start whipping. Pour your 1 cup of cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin mixing on a medium-low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. Continue whipping until the cream starts to thicken and forms soft peaks, meaning it holds its shape but the tip gently folds over. This is where the magic happens. Once your cream has reached soft peaks, it's time to add the black gel food coloring. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon, then continue whipping. Observe the color and add more gel coloring in small increments until you achieve a rich, deep black. Keep whipping until the cream forms stiff peaks and the color is perfectly consistent throughout. To ensure your black whipped cream is perfect every time, remember these key tips. Always opt for gel food coloring over liquid, as liquid can thin out your beautiful cream. Be careful not to overwhip. Stopping just as stiff peaks form prevents a grainy texture or accidentally making butter. For freshness, store any leftover black whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.